Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm drawing the winner for my September-October 2024 challenge. And that was, I think, Halloween or use the colors green and orange. Before I draw the winner, the current challenge that is going on runs until December 31st, 2024. The theme is Christmas or the colors green or red. Please tag me at DoubleClick Connect and use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect challenge. This is the Christmas 2024 release. We have the Grinch green, the Rudolph red, the Snowball white, golden goose, and the silver bells. And you can pick between these two colors. They are currently listed in my Etsy shop, or please feel free to direct message me for purchase. For the September-October 2024, I had 4 entries: Maxine, Mary, Marissa, and Jen, and the prize was this bag of mixed color dewdrops. I'm going to go ahead and insert the video of me drawing the winner here. Here are the entries for the September-October 2024 challenge. We had 4 entries. Let's go into the random number generator, put in 1 through 4. Let's hit generate, and that is number 2. And number 2 is Mary Ellen's Crafts and Hauls. Congratulations, Mary Ellen. Please leave me a comment down below and I will get your prize out to you. Congratulations, Mary Ellen. You're the winner of my September-October 2024 DoubleClick Connect challenge. I will be dropping these in the mail to you. I hope you guys will consider entering my current challenge, which is Christmas or using the colors green or red. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.